Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix laptop keyboard if some keys are not working. So let's get started. I have several methods that you can try to fix it. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to Start and then press on these settings, and then we're gonna click on the Update and Security, and then from here we're gonna click on Troubleshoot. Then we're going to click on additional troubleshooters, and here we're going to scroll a little bit down and we're going to find keyboard. Find and fix problems with your computer keyboard settings. Click on it and click on Run the troubleshooter, and we're going to wait for this to complete. So if this didn't work, for example, if this says has completed and it still doesn't work, just click close the troubleshooter and close. Now we're gonna try another method. Another method that you can try is again go to Start and click on Settings, and then we're gonna click on this Ease of Access, and we're gonna search for keyboard again. On interaction, we're gonna click on keyboard, and we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see this use filter keys. And if this is off, like for me here, you have to turn it on. If it's on, then you have to turn it off. So basically you do the opposite of what is it here. If it's off, then you turn it on. If it's on, turn it off, and then see if this works. If this didn't work, and you can try another method. Now another method that you can do if you cannot access the keyboard, just click on this and you will get this on-screen keyboard, and we're gonna click on Start again, and here we're gonna type in Device Manager and click on this Device Manager, and here we're gonna click on Keyboards, expand this, and now you maybe have, like me here, multiple keyboards. Just go right click on every of these keyboards, click on Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on your computer. And now if you have like this, to separate this devices, just click the another one. If you don't have any of these, if you have just one, just click on that one that you see and click on Next, and then you do for other keyboard devices as well. Even if that didn't work, you can try another method, which is this one. Go to Start again, and I'm gonna type in Task Scheduler, like this one, Task Scheduler, click on it, and now we're gonna click on Task Manager Schedule Library, click on Microsoft, expand this Microsoft, then expand Windows, and we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see Text Service. There it goes, Text Services Framework, and here if it's on status on ready, click on Run, and if it's on disabled, click on enable. As you can see, for me this one is enabled, but for you maybe it will be disabled here on status. Just click on enable or click on run, and that's it. Close, and after you enable it, press on run and make sure you close and make sure you restart your PC. So that's pretty much it, all the methods that I have. If I find more methods for this fix, I will definitely make more videos about this topic. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.